Now we're back to sponsorship. A couple sponsorship questions you can
Okay,
weigh
there you
in too. So Josh says, the right thing to do would be to credit those sponsors 50 or more % for the next year at the least. I don't think so. I think you can actually, if you want to challenge yourself and just switch gears, I think you can do more for them now without racing. I think you're going to be surprised at how much more you could do for them now than you even can during a race season. Because once you're racing gets involved with racing, and a lot of times things get missed because you're in the moment in your event planning. But right now we've got some downtime. You could put on some major spotlights and create some content that is usable over and over and over again. It's why I love video, because videos that I made 5 years ago are still paying off for me today. Still our most watched video is changing valve springs.
And they're still relevant.
So. And they're still relevant, absolutely. So there's more that we can do today, and that content can be repurposed over and over and over again, especially video. I think now is a great time. Also, here's a good example of something to do.
I mean,
not just sponsorship wise, but how we can promote racing. Why not with racing series or with racetracks? Start doing some driver spotlights. Maybe even get them to just do a quick little clip, a 15-second clip on their phones, and send it to you, and start introducing drivers.
I mean, let's say you're like Joe Average race car driver, sponsored by Joe's Diner down the road.
Right.
You know what you do? Go to Joe's Diner down the road and do a one-on-one, hold your phone this way and talk to the owner who's sponsored you, who's obviously giving you money, and talk about what they're doing with the coronavirus thing and how they're serving the public and the precautions they're taking and the cleanliness. Just do simple shit like that and post it on your damn racing page or your personal page and get people interested in Joe's Diner, who is therefore, who's already given you $1,000 or $2,000, for your season, and roll shit that way. Make yourself valuable enough to them to where they do want to give you more money, or the following year, or maybe they're not going, man, I got ripped off because this dude did nothing and I gave him $2,000 in
And when I needed
January.
him most, that's when I needed him most. Was when I was down and we're trying to promote takeout, and people are afraid. You had a racer come in the other day that runs a restaurant, and
absolutely.
And you said he called the news station to say, "Hey, stop! At least stop whipping up the panic and letting these people think that they're going to get arrested if they come up to my restaurant for takeout, because it's not the truth.
It's not the truth, and he had to do that. He called the local damn news station.
Yeah.
Said, "Look, man, quit freaking lying to people. They can come out and buy my food and not get arrested."
So I would say the same thing with any of your local
and quit
sponsors.
buying into the panic too. There's the whole thing there.
Well, I'm not. I don't want to be panicked. Just want to be prepared. But the same thing goes for any of your local sponsors. If they're still open now, or if they've got a message to share, whatever their message is, help them promote that message, because you're going to be, you're going to have a lot of local people that are going to be looking to you. If you're a sponsored driver, you're a hero.
Take it to a national level. Let's look at FK Rod Ends. FK Rod Ends probably does more for racing than most companies do ever. Mm-hmm. Let's take like Maria at FK. All right, so you've got your FK Rod Ends. Take pictures of your FK Rod Ends. Take video of yourself installing them. Post them on your social media. Tag FK. Tag Maria. Do this stuff. Mm-hmm. And You know who like comes into their mind when all this shit's over? The people that did that shit.
Oh, yeah.
Not the asshole that friggin' got his $500 free set of rod ends and did nothing.
Right.
So be proactive. Don't be, reactive.
Now Maria is one of the companies that is closed right now, so just an update on that.
And that's why I said that, because
FK is closed. I just got a message from AR Bodies that AR Bodies is currently closed as well. So I've started a whole page on the website to try to update any of the companies with the closures.